In this video, I'm going to show you how to upscale a video in Canva. First, go to the list of tabs on the left side of your screen and choose the Apps tab. From here, go to the search bar and search for Video Upscaler. After that, click this Video Upscaler app, then click Open to get started. From here, you can choose between upload a video from your own file or select the one in your design. Then choose the quality and enhancement style from these options. Once you've done that, you can click the Sign in to Generate button. Here you have to connect the video upscaler with your account. To do that, just sign in with your email or with your Google account. Once you have signed in with your account, click this Generate button. This process will take a while depending on the size of your video. Once the upscale process is done, you can see the before-after here. Then to add it to your design, just click this Add to Design button. First, let's add a new page. Then click this Add to Design button and adjust the size of this video. Okay, now let's click this play button to see the final result. This is the original version. And this one is the upscaled version. So that's how you can upscale a video in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.